Hello guys and welcome to episode 7 of our Unity 3D Android first-person shooter tutorial series. Today we're going to be covering two things. Number one is a firing animation within Unity, and the second one is we are going to implement an aim down sight script from the Unify community or the Unity community. We're going to be heavily modifying this though, because we're not using FPS Walker. So let's get started. Right, for now we're going to start off with the animation, so let me turn off lighting. So pretty much, whoa, so such specularity, much shininess. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to here. First you want to select your actual weapon, and then you're going to want to come down here and click where it says idle, create new clip. Now we're going to go secret chisel. I forgot what was in that folder. I think it was nothing. We're going to want to go into... Now, it's just a matter of remembering where the hell I put this stuff. That's right, weapons, animations. Let's make one called fire. As you can see here, we have a new thing. You want to click add curve, transform, position. And also add curve, transform, rotation. So as you can see here, we now, instead of having to add in keyframes for start and end, we now have them in by default. So click that. If it isn't, I just click save. So we're going to want to, by say frame 20, going to want to go on the rotation and position. We're going to want to drag it, nope, not down, back a bit. I think that's a bit too much. Let's go back. Let me grab this. What is the current value of this? I can't see it because I'm apparently retarded. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Let's make it 350. 350. 350. And then on the rotation axis we shall... Oh, that's the wrong one. Is it Z as well? Yeah, Z. We'll make it negative 0.68. Yeah, negative 0.8. So you see here, douche. So we're going to want to grab all these keyframes, bring them down to 10, and then bring these down to 20. Douche, douche, douche. So we're actually going to want to bring that down to another half. And down to here. Douche, 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 like that. So that's basically how you do it. Now let's just implement it. There's a couple of things I want to change in this script, such as if you want to add custom animations. So to start off with that, we're going to come down here and go make a... Well, actually, no, we'll go here. Make a public string idle equals nothing. Actually, we'll give just default of idle. Public string reload equals reload. And a public string fire equals fire. So now we can, wherever we have the animations in here, we can just go reload. Or wherever we have the, this, we just go reload. Down here, instead of having to type in reload, we just put it in here. That's mainly just for time's sake, and because I'm a lazy fuck. Idle. Yes, I heard you. Okay, there. So now in the fire function, we're going to want to go if we hit the button, then we're going to want to go wait, no. Do I have my transform dot animation dot crossfade fire, like that. So now that we have that in. Now we should be able to see our 3 new animation things pop up in here, or just fail at life and get an error. Functionality already contains I'm a retard. Hold up, there's a quick way to do this, which is just go refactor, rename, and I'll just go idle anim reload anim and fire anim, because I'm a lazy shit and want to take the shortcuts. So that'll get rid of all our, or not. Wait, what? I'm a retard. I'm a fucking retard. Hold up, let's find where else I fucked up. We're gonna want to call reload, not reload anim. I'm gonna want to call reload. Like that, not like a retard, like I just did. Oh my god, am I a fucking idiot? What? It's not a boolean? Oh. You done being a little shit? Nope. Thought not. Fire anim. Reload. Idle anim. So that should be... Oh my god, really? What the fuck are you bitching about now? Is that it? Are you done now? You gonna answer me? Come on. Thank you. Alright, so now we have our 3 names. Apply. Play. We hit control, or if you're using Unity Remote, click on the shoot button. And we should now have a... Or not. I know why. Because we have the idle anim overwriting our current thing. So we're going to want to go wherever our idle animation is playing. If is functioning. Is functioning equals true. Where do I have is functioning in here? No. Cooler timer. So then I want to go cooler timer equals 0 is function equals false can fire equals true. So yeah, just add that small line there, because I don't know why I didn't have that in. Probably because I wasn't running any animations. The reload animation works. The fire animation does not. That is quite weird. Let's have a look at why this is doing it. There's also a couple other things we need to fix up in this script to make it pretty much bulletproof. So I'll just pause. Actually no, I'll keep it on so that you can see how I do my stuff. So we've clicked it, the functioning should be true, so the idle... Hold up, is there an if is functioning? If underscore if is... No, there isn't a is functioning. So if is functioning, we're obviously going to want to stop this. Else dot stop the idle animation from playing, because that might be why our crossfade is not working. If that's not it, then I'm just going to have to continue going through and debugging until it works. That's what it should look like. That's what it looks like. Let me quickly chuck this inside of here. Even though I shouldn't really be doing this twice, I'm just going to have a look. And I'm pretty sure my headphones are just about to die. So I'm going to have to pause the recording very soon and recharge. So yeah, that's weird. Reload works fine. Why does fire not? Let's try just flat out playing it. Come on, jump into Unity. Finished. Process, okay. Come on. There we go. As you can see, we can kind of improve on that animation. So let's do that now. As you can see, it kind of looks really shitty right now. Let's try this out. Douche. So now let's have a look how it looks in the game. Before we start bulletproofing our... We can always improve it. You can improve it the way you want. I'll do it off camera though. So let's jump back into the script and make it so that if we're reloading, we can't fire. So do I have as a is... No, I don't have an is reloading. Okay, so we're going to have to make that. So in the booleans, we're going to have to go public bool is reloading with a capital I, or not, equals false. So now we're going to want to go is reloading. So we're going to want to go if can reload if current clips is greater than 0 and if current bullets is less than bullets per clip, then is reloading equals true. Reload cooler timer equals 0.0f. Is reloading equals false. So now we want to go to the in here, go if is not reloading, well, and obviously don't reload in the first place. And if is reloading, then you obviously can't fire. So if is reloading, so that makes sense to me, but then if the player is currently reloading, then they can't fire. So let's have a look. If we have a full clip, we shouldn't be able to reload. We shoot one bullet, we should reload. We keep pressing R. Keep pressing R, it's not going to do anything, it's not going to stop. Oh, now we have to make it so that we can't shoot while we're reloading. But we were currently reloading. If reload timer, if is not reloading, but is reloading should be true. Let's have a look. Okay, let's shoot, reload, and then try and shoot halfway through the animation. Keep an eye on the is reloading. Okay, can't reload. Shoot. Why is reloading not... Is reloading... Oh, that's because that's the can fire. So we're going to want to go... If... Is not reloading. Wait, let me think this. If it's not reloading, if current bullets is greater than 0, so it's not turning to be reloading in the first place. So we're going to want to go in here. Is reloading equals true. Because I'm cool like that and I forgot that I had 2 functions for reloading instead of 1. Which we shall also fix up later. Play. Try and reload. No, shoot. Reload. Press control. No shooting. Now let's press shoot, 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 reload, shoot, shoot, reload. Reload, shoot, reload, shoot. As you can see, there's nothing that's stopping it from doing any of that stuff. What's this? It's just telling me what I'm shooting. But yeah, so we fixed that up. So now let's work on the aiming. So pretty much we're going to want to copy this into a JavaScript, since I cannot figure out how to do the smooth damn in C#. It's just screwing my mind. So yes, do we have a plugins folder? Yes, we do. So we're going to want to do the same in here, but with the ADS, we'll call it. 17 minutes already. I'm going to try and keep these at around about half an hour each, so that they don't get to like an hour like a couple of my other ones did. So we're going to want to paste. There's a couple things we're going to want to remove, like these. Completely remove those. And these. Like that. I'm just being anal about the cleanup, but I hate messy code. There we go. That was retarded of me. Yeah, wait, no. Son of a fuck. Skip forward, I'm kidding. Okay, there we go. So, we're going to want to actually encapsulate these into different functions. So we're going to want to go function aim in, and then function aim out, and then paste them, since this is on click, so this goes into aim in, and the other one goes into aim out since it's on release. Stop selecting everything. There we go. Whew. Alright, so now we're going to want to just clean this up a bit, make it so that we can make it pragma strict. Change that into a float. 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 And that into a float. Alright, my headphones just died, and I'm just resuming now. So we're going to want to jump out, check if we have any errors. We shouldn't, unless I did something really dumb, which I didn't. So you're going to want to click on the AK, close these up, and then not the joystick, the aim down sight. The gun, we're going to want to drag this in. And now we're going to want to create two more, six more variables. Var aim in fields is a float which equals 40, and that was my Facebook, and I shall close that now. Var aim in pos is a float which equals 0.0, and I forgot this isn't C#, and var aim in pos2 is a float which equals -0.2. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm sick and tired of having to jump in and out of the editor every single time I want to change a value, so I'm just... And it's also good practice to do this, but mainly because I'm lazy, as I'm pretty sure I've said in every single other goddamn episode. This should be 60, this should be 0.5, and this should be negative, not negative equals, sorry, negative 0.4. And this should be aim out field, aim out pos, aim out pos 2. Yep. Alright, so we have an error, probably just me being an idiot. Yep. This is 0.5, I'm pretty sure. That's my doggy. Okay, so now we have no errors. You should see 6 new thingies pop up down there. Button. Okay, so now all we have to call is these functions to aim in and out. So let's just have a look what the default position is. That may be a problem. It's interrupting our... Hold up, let me just disable that vignetting. Seems to be in doing something with our animation. The default field of view should be 60, which it is. Oh, hold up. That's probably why. Let me have a look now. Just change that to untagged instead of... Okay. Should be 60. So... we can now go into here. I can see my dog's getting ready to bark at something. Public ADS, public game object ADS. So now we should have a slot for an ADS. In our, where did I put it? It was in our player? No? Yeah, it was in weapon functionality. ADS, so ADS, and ADS, ADS, and ADS. God damn it! ADS and ADS, okay. So now here, we're just going to do this for PC for now. And I want to go if not is reloading I want to go ads.get component. This is just for now, for proof of concept. We're going to want to get ads dot and then aim in. Shh, dog's just about to bark. I'll pause the recording if he starts. If input dot get mouse